Hello, folks, and welcome back to The Comfort Code. And this is our episode number 6. And we have someone really special here, okay? Someone who is out of this box, who has done a lot of things, and we are only going to explore that person as an individual today. So, please meet Mrs. Shami Daji Sarkar. So, here she is. So, uh, Miss Shami, or should I call you ma'am?
Just call me Shami.
Okay. So, Shami, tell us about you.
Well, my childhood actually, I was born in Porvorim.
Okay.
And my majority of my childhood has been in Porvorim. I was a part of a very big joint family, lots of uncles, aunties, and I think that explains my love for being around people. And my education, I would say I was in Mary Immaculate in Panaji, and I've had a very an upbringing where my father is a journalist. And,
Okay.
that was like it started right from the beginning that I always wanted to take up this as a profession. At that point, it was print media, but as I grew up and as I finished I took up my education also in Pune with the very fact that I wanted to take up mass comm. That's how I joined Symbiosis. I did my literature, and post that I took up the Department of Communication Studies program at University of Pune.
Okay, in Pune.
In Pune. So I did my masters in communication studies. The biggest achievement I would say at that point of time was I got an internship with Zee News in Delhi. And that was the beginning of my journalistic career. It was a very happy moment because I always thought that journalism was the field because my dad has been in media for a long time, and we were also credited with that was the further thing, and that's how I joined after my internship. I was offered a posting in Mumbai.
Okay.
Once
So-
I was offered a posting in Mumbai, I opted to come to Goa because at that point there was nothing in Goa. There was no electronic media thing happening except for the lone Doordarshan setup which was there at that point. So my childhood had always been a part of all these programs doing for Goa Doordarshan or maybe for All India Radio. But working in a news setup in Delhi and then coming back to Goa, I was even asked, why not Mumbai? So I always said my heart belongs here. And that's how I came to Goa. And initially when I came down to Goa, I was fortunate to have worked with then Manohar Parrikar, who had just become Chief Minister at that point of time, Manohar Parrikar. And it was one of my best, it was wonderful to be a part of the news at that point of time because it was his first, that was when he was the first, he had just assumed charge of, he had become Chief Minister. And I think that was one of his finest tenures because there was a spate of development works.
Yes.
And it was good, it was great to work in that scenario.
So, your internship in Delhi, you said. How is Delhi? How would you describe Delhi and the scenario? How did you stay there? How did you survive there? Because usually अशें म्हणतात न्ही की गोंयकार जे आसात ते खंय भायर सर्वाइव करपाक शकना because we are very much in comfort zone. You know, people say because हांवें हें experience केल्लें when I used to go for tournaments out न्ही तेन्ना these people other states they had captured that one word सुशेगाद. So they used to always tell कि अरे ये तो गोवंस है, ये लोग एकदम आराम से इनके इसमें सुशेगाद आएंगे, इनका कुछ टाइमिंग का है नहीं, ये लोग यहाँ पे रह भी नहीं पाएंगे. This kind of scene. So how was the Delhi tour for you? How was it?
म्हाका दिसता पयलीं 5 वर्सां हांव पुणे आशिल्लें. सो
हां.
पुणे आशिल्ल्या कारणान तो सुशेगाद एटिट्यूड म्हणटा पण तो खरो ना तसो आसा. क्वायट अ बीट ऑफ पीपल हॅव दॅट दीस बट खंय तरी वेन यू स्टार्ट स्टडींग आउटसायड युअर हाऊस ब्रेकिंग आउट ऑफ युअर कम्फर्ट झोन 5 वर्सां भायर 3 वर्सां ग्रॅज्युएशन 2 वर्सां पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन जेन्ना तूं भायर करता ऑटोमॅटीक युअर इन द मोड फॉर फर्दर
हय.
म्हजो तो इंटर्नशीप पिरियड आशिल्लो तो तरी धाकटो आशिल्लो. वॉज हार्डली फॉर 4-5 मिनट ताच्या मागीर तांणी पोस्टींग दिलें ते 4 म्हयन्यांनी तांचोच स्टुडियो म्हणजे आय वॉज नॉट इन दिल्ली आय वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ
त्यांचे अकोमोडेशन.
सो तसो म्हाका प्रॉब्लम जालोच ना दॅट वॉज बिकॉज तसो ट्रॅवल नासलो इट वॉज मोर ऑफ स्टुडियो सेटअप PCR हें तें म्हणजे जनरल एक न्यूज सेटअप कसो जाता इट वॉज वन ऑफ नोयडा स्टुडियो आशिल्लो तांचो. सो ताज्या मागीर जेन्ना बॉम्बे धाडलें तेन्ना थंय पयलींच सांगलें की नाका म्हाका गोंय जाय.
ओके.
जरी करियराच्या दृश्टीन मुंबय वूड हॅव बीन अ बेटर ऑप्शन पूण तेन्ना गोंयान कांयच नाशिल्ल्या कारणान अशें दिसतालें की खंय तरी गोंयाक येवन कितें तरी करुया. दुसरी गोश्ट ताणी सांगली आमकां ब्युरो दिवपाक मेळपाना थंय कित्याक गोवा इज अ व्हेरी स्मॉल स्टेट. ताणी मागीर तो ल्हान कॅमेरा सेटअपाचेर म्हाका ट्रेन केलें आनी मागीर आय यूज टू हँडल गोवा आय यूज टू हँडल अ पार्ट ऑफ हुबळी एंड रत्नागिरी अ फूल स्ट्रेच ताणी they gave it to me. So that was the journalistic part of it. ताच्या मागीर ग्रॅज्युअली आय रियलायज तांकां न्यूज जाय आशिल्ली ती फक्त तशें हांगा करंट अफेर्स व्हडलें कांय नाशिल्लें अनलेस तेन्ना मातशी गव्हर्मेंटाची म्हणजे तेन्ना स्टेबिलिटी नाशिल्ली गव्हर्मेंट. सो तें सोडलें जाल्यार तांकां फक्त जाय आशिल्लो कार्निवाल तांकां जाय आशिल्लो शिगमो तांकां फक्त ते क्रिसमस that was all they wanted.
Culture.
There was so much more to Goa. Post that I joined Aaj Tak. It was a journey. I joined ANI, ताच्या मागीर Aaj Tak. हे सगळे हातून हांवें रियलायज केलें की all that they want is that very Goa that is being portrayed outside. तरी म्हाका रॉयटर्सान आशिल्लें तेन्ना ANI I got an opportunity to show the rural Goa. I got an opportunity to show the festivals of Goa. Because तांकां इन डिटेल स्टोरीज जाय पडटा बिकॉज दे केटर टू फॉरेन चॅनल्स. सो सत्र्यो आसूं फुकळच्यो जावं खंयची चोरांची जात्रा आसूं ह्या दृश्टीन हांव खूब भोंवलें गोंयांत म्हणजे अ लॉट ऑफ तांकां डिटेलान जाय पडटा तांची न्यूज स्टायल नाशिल्ली तांचे दे यूज टू केटर टू अ लॉट ऑफ चॅनल्स. सो सो ताच्या मागीर तेन्ना गोवा न्यूज लायन म्हणजे गोंयान मिडिया नाशिल्ल्या कारणान म्हजे बाबा वामन प्रभू आनी तो गोवा न्यूज लायन हो कोंकणी चॅनल स्टार्ट केलो. तेन्ना हांव म्हजो धाकटो भाव प्रवेश आनी बाबा अशे 3 जाणांनी आमी हो सुरू केल्या करतकीच खूब रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळो तेन्ना म्हणजे लोकां कडल्यान भरपूर रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळो कित्याक एक सांजची 7:30 रावंड अप गोंयची मेळटाली. It was not easy. मेहनत आशिल्ली कित्याक तेन्ना मोबायल तसो हे सगळें आतां सामकें सादेपणान उलयता पूण हें सगळें करतना आतांची टॅक्नोलॉजी आनी तेन्ना आतां कोणी मोबायल घेतिल्ल्यार रिकॉर्ड पावता तशें तेन्ना नाशिल्लें. तशें तेन्ना तुवें CD कर मागीर ते सगळे केबल वाल्या कडेन दी सांग्या सावड्ड्या फोंड्या हांगा सगळ्याक पावय आनी हें करता करता आमकां वी टूक अ लॉट ऑफ टायम बट people really appreciate it because कोंकणी आशिल्ली कोंकणींतल्यान एक and that's when I left. Then I started then I was completely with News Line.
So after you getting your channel
तूं
तेतूनच आशिल्लो. ओके. सो तुजी न्यूज आणि जर्नलिझमची जर्नी वॉज रियली ग्रेट आणि आय गेस हेच्याकून चड आसतलें उलोवपाक न्ही तुज्या कडेन. सो आमी विल कीप इट शॉर्ट. ओके. सो यू saw your father as an inspiration for taking this up. To be honest, हांवेंनूय विचार केल्लो आफ्टर माय 10th standard हांवें म्हटलेलें की आय एम गोईंग फॉर आर्ट्स बिकॉज म्हाका मास कम्युनिकेशन वचपाक जाय. आय वॉन्टेड टू गो इन स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिझम बट ते एक सपोर्ट आसता पळय एवरीवन वॉज लायक जर्नलिझमान काय दवरूंक ना देर इज नथींग. बट आतां तुज्या कडेन पळोवन कळ्ळें की देर इज अ लॉट इफ यू गो टू डू दॅट. It's just that you need that courage and that support. You can do anything. Okay. Other than that, born, brought up, everything is in Goa of yours. How do you see Goa? How do you visualize Goa? Like tourist जी आसा ती आता ते ते तेंच्यांनी एक इमेज केला गोंया बद्दल. ते गोंया म्हटल्यार ते तशेंच But how do you visualize Goa?
I think all of us have that one experience where everybody is stereotyped in that typical Goan thing. That happened to me in my first year of college in Pune also. की ताका एक इमेज आसता गोंयची चुडीदार बी घालून गोंयकारांक पळयलें की अरे आप लोग ऐसा भी पहनते हो तसो इशू आसता बट इट्स माय एक्सपिरियन्स म्हणजे एज आय थिंक वी आर व्हेरी लकी एज गोन्स टू बी इन अ प्लेस which has I think is one of the safest and I think it's such a it's a beautiful place and a wonderful place to be in आणि गोंयकार म्हणजे एक वायब आसता पळय गोंयचो गोंयकारांतल्यान तूं गोवा केन्नाच काडूंक शकना
करेक्ट
आमी पुण्या वचून रावूं मुंबय वचून रावूं आनी खंय रावूं तो एक गोंयकाराचो जो एक वायब आसता तो तूं काडूंक शकना आय थिंक वी आर ब्लेस्ड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दीस ब्युटिफूल स्टेट जो पिक्चर तुम्ही पेंट केला म्हणटा पळय तो हळू म्हाका दिसता
वयतलो
येस इट इज गोईंग बिकॉज नाव पीपल गोन्स ऑल्सो आर डुईंग एक्सिडिंगली वेल फॉर देमसेल्स इन ऑल फील्ड्स आय थिंक एक्चुअली दे हॅव डन वेल रायट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग बट सिन्स यू से दॅट वन लायन वी से म्हणटात पळय सो इट्स सुशेगाद इट्स युजली दे होल्ड ऑन टू दॅट बट आय थिंक इन बीइंग सुशेगाद ऑल्सो वी हॅव डन आवर
A
वेरी
lot.
बेस्ट
A lot.
And if you actually see how life should be like a movie. Like you do well and you relax.
Yes.
And you know you
And
take,
you're
you take the day as
yeah.
take the day as it comes. Because otherwise in Mumbai we have seen people go out in the morning, come back at night. There is no life. It's just So I think as Goans we are very lucky.
We are very settled, like we are good with everything that is happening. We support each other. आणि हांगा सगळें जाता अशें न्ही की एक खंयचें तरी जातलें ना सगळें जाता अदर दॅन पार्टीज क्लबिंग देर इज ऑल्सो सो मेनी रिच्युअल्स इतली जात्रा फेस्त आसता म्हणल्यार वी आर ऑफ एवरीथिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट ओके सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू योर अडल्ट फेज how did you meet Mr. Daji Salkar and how was that? I mean, कशें जालें तुमचें? Was it arranged marriage or love marriage or arranged love? बोलते हैं ना, it's that kind of thing.
No, we met during my professional. We met at the assembly, Goa assembly. We were introduced to each other by our honorable Rachin Bhaiya Lekar, Satachi Mrs. Ananda Lekar. She introduced us.
Okay.
And like as we met as friends, and gradually when we were talking to each other, gradually we thought that we could go on
Connection.
and then with our family's blessings and permission, we got married.
So it was love marriage.
Yes,
Okay.
it was a love
Yeah.
come arranged marriage, I would say.
Okay. So what age you were in that time?
I was about 27.
27. Okay, so आणि एक हांवें ऐकलां about Goan families. ती नॉट ओनली गोवन फॅमिलीज बेसिकली आय गेस खूब जाणां अशें परसेप्शन दवरता की चेडवांनी इफ दे वॉन्ट टू गेट मॅरीड द एज इज लायक 23 मागीरूच दे हॅव टू गेट मॅरीड सून दे हॅव टू हॅव किड्स सून सो वॉट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट नाव डेज विमेन लायक इफ यू आस्क मी आय वुडंट गेट मॅरीड सो सून I want to get married when I get settled and माझ्याकडे कितीतरी आसा. So how do you think about that perception?
It's either ways, Janvi. Actually, the initial part where I think they all started with getting married early is because maybe they thought that earlier the child gets married earlier, she adjusts to a different family. Perhaps that was the reason why begin marriages for a पण overall आता भुरगीं सेटल जावनच लग्न जावपाक सोदता. म्हज्या दृश्टीन आय वॉज व्हेरी लकी की म्हजी आई बाबा आर व्हेरी सपोर्टीव. म्हजें तशेंच जालें की जेन्ना हांव त्या फिल्डान आशिल्लें त्या फिल्डान एकदां तूं गेलें की तशें तातूंतच आनी म्हाका दिसता ह्या सगळ्या हातूंत न्ही इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ डेस्टिनी. ह्या हातूंत कशें कोण मेळटा कितें जाता म्हणजे लग्न म्हाका दिसता आय बिलीव इन डेस्टिनी आनी
जेन्ना जावपाचें
जेन्ना जावपाचें आसता तेन्ना तुका जाय तो मनीस मेळटा आनी तशें जाता बिकॉज ना जाल्यार इफ आय से आय एंड दाजी आर व्हेरी डिफरंट एज पीपल इन द सेन्स आय एम लॉट मोर टॉकेटिव्ह
extrovert.
I am an extrovert. He is a little quieter. बट तेच म्हणटा इट इज ऑल दिस टायम योग्य त्या टायमार तुका यू शूड जस्ट गो विथ द फ्लो
हय करेक्ट
दॅट्स वॉट आय वूड से अँड शूड नॉट बी रिजिड इन एनी वे म्हणजे हांव इतलें अशेंच करतलें तशेंच करतलें म्हाका दिसता तशें जायना यू शूड
हय
जस्ट गो विथ द फ्लो यू शूड डू योर बेस्ट
should be open for
and you
everything.
should be open to everything. Somewhere down the line, you feel that suddenly you decide that you're not going to get married. Someday something comes in front of you. You should not say nah because you have something in your mind.
Correct. Okay. So we saw how this explanation goes. So whatever you think out there, women, females, you do whatever you want. And अशेंय ना की इफ यू गेट मॅरीड एंड देन तुका काय करपाक मेळचें ना नो इट्स ऑन यू तुका जर ओपन जावपा जाय यू कॅन डू इट आफ्टर गेटिंग मॅरीड ऑल्सो एंड बिफोर ऑल्सो इफ यू हॅव अ गुड कंपेरेबल पार्टनर ओके सो नाव लेट्स मूव ऑन टू यू बीइंग अ मदर वाईफ तू जाली तू एंड एवरीथिंग वॉज देर ओके लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाऊ वॉज दिस साइड्स फॅमिली बिकॉज तुवें पयली जॉयंट फॅमिली व्हडली फॅमिली दुसऱ्या सायडीची फॅमिली देन बीइंग अ वाईफ ती जर्नी कशी आशिल्ली हाऊ मच टायम डीड यू टेक टू गेट सेटल्ड इन दॅट फॅमिली
हांवें बट एन्जॉयड फॅमिलीज आसा
ओके
आय एम लकी दॅट वे म्हणजे आय हॅव सपोर्ट एट होम पोस्ट माय मॅरेज a few years after my daughter's birth हांवें at that point खंय तरी जर्नलिजमांतल्यान अशें फाटीं सरलें आनी बाय व्हडलें जाता तशें तशें मागीर दारची पॉलिटिक्सान आशिल्लें ताका हेल्प सपोर्ट करता करता जो जेन्ना ताजो जेन्ना आमचो वॉर्ड वुमन्स जालो तेन्ना आय गॉट इन टू पॉलिटिक्स त्या सगळ्या जर्नीन फॅमिलीच्या सपोर्टा शिवाय खंयय जावचें नाशिल्लें आनी हांगाय जावना म्हणजे भायर सरतकच चलयेचें टेन्शन नासता म्हणजे एक भुरगें आसता तो टेन्शन नासतालें यू डींट हॅव टू वरी अबाउट बींग लेफ्ट इन समबडीज केअर म्हणजे अशें कोणाच्याय दुसऱ्याच्या हातान सो आपल्या घरान आनी ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी हे सगळें करतना म्हाका दिसता खंयच्याय इंडिविज्युअलाच्या फॅमिलीचो जो इम्पॉर्टन्स आसा करियराच्या बाबतींत तरी इट इज व्हेरी क्रुशल आनी पोस्ट दॅट होल एक्सपिरियन्स हॅज बीन दॅट it gives you a very fulfilling it's not that you go home just to one person.
Correct.
you get because right now also I have my brother-in-law at home, I have my sister-in-law at home, my niece at home. All these people it's like one big
unit. Yeah, it's I think आणि खूप जणांचे असे परसेप्शन आसा की why do we live in joint family, it's better to be with your husband and kid, but to be honest, when you say you want to be independent, you have to think about your family also. So it's not only की ती आसा सो तुझे कितें काम जातलें नो बिकॉज दे आर देर ते सपोर्ट एक आसा देर इज वन पिलर दिसनी की फाटल्यान आसा कोण तरी एक जे सांबाळटली आनी विश्वास आसा एंड इतले सगळे भायरचे जग कोण जेन्ना घरा येवन ते कम्फर्ट मेळटा तेन्ना इट्स समथींग डिफरंट इट्स व्हेरी गुड ओके सो we saw everything about her and let's talk about and this will be end okay because our third time also na घेवचे ना तुझे because I know how busy your list is so let's talk about what you believe in okay do you usually go for chemical based product or ayurvedic based product म्हणजे what do you believe in chemical or ayurvedic
here also I am not very rigid. I prefer to take up natural products, especially if it comes to my daughter. घरात यूज करतले जाल्यार but at the same time if I believe that there is one particular brand that I can try I don't mind
okay
so overall I'm not a rigid person in approach. I'm open to
every both so it was really great short simple but really efficient okay तुका आनी पॉडकास्ट म्हणजे आमच्या आनी एपिसोडान पळोवपाची इच्छा आसा okay so we'll have her soon again in this podcast we'll talk about a lot about her journey and it was really great to have okay so we'll soon post this on YouTube channel of mine. आणि you want to say something to audience कितें जर सांगूंक जाय जाल्यार तुका?
No, I think you're doing a great job. I've seen you in your tryst with preserving our culture and training young people. I think that was what made
Connect
me
us, yeah.
get to know you. And I think you should continue this. It's an excellent way to. Today we have to shape our younger people. It's
Yeah.
very important. The young impressionable people, म्हणजे teenagers जी आसा, ल्हान भुरगीं आसाच. आनी एक खंय तरी एक टिनेजर जो जी भुरगीं आतांच व्हडलीं जाता म्हणटा तशीं खंय तरी आमच्या देशा बद्दल आमच्या संस्कृती बद्दल आमच्या जे द वे ऑल दीस हॅज टू बी इट्स अ व्हेरी इम्प्रेशनेबल एज थंय तांकां रायट गायडन्स मेळप थंय तांकां एक दिशा मेळप इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट एंड आय थिंक वॉट युआर डुईंग इट्स थ्रू इट मे बी थ्रू something like a Dhol thing or
Dhol, that's
something like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, that whole thing. I think these are small things which create a lasting effect. I mean, that's where we've
Yes,
met
we
personally. So I wish you also the very best, and I hope you have many more.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank you
much
so
to
much.
be here. And like, subscribe and share. Okay. And we'll see you soon in our next episode. Thank you.
Thank you.